Hey everybody, I'm Morgan from the very unofficial travel guides, and today I'm going to take you with me on one of my favorite things
in the world.
If you've been around the very unofficial travel guides for a while, you know that I have a hard time picking a favorite anything. Anytime I do a kind of Q&A video or a Q&A on Facebook, people always ask me what's my favorite cruise ship, what's my favorite port, what's my favorite hotel, what's my favorite restaurant, and I have a really hard time picking a favorite thing like that. However, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad at Walt Disney World in Florida is without a doubt my favorite roller coaster ever, anywhere, period. I love the theming, I love the ride experience. It has a special place in my heart. Going back to my first and second visits to Disney World as a young man or a kid, I just love this ride, and I wanted you to experience it as well. I think most of you have been to Disney World and have ridden this ride, but if you haven't, take a look at this video, and I hope you can see what it is that I think is just so special about this ride. Watch to the end for a secret word. See you on Sunday.